Hello hair heroes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. On this channel we are obsessed with growing long hair naturally. If this interests you, subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how I make aloe vera oil for massive hair growth using aloe vera, sunflower and olive oil. This oil is fantastic for hair, providing deep hydration, soothing inflammation and promoting a healthy hair. Ready to unlock the power of aloe vera? Let's get started. Wash and cut your aloe vera plants into pieces. Pour your olive oil and sunflower oil into a heated pan on low heat. Allow it to get heated a little bit and then add the aloe vera chopped pieces into the oil. Let's talk about some importance of aloe vera for our hair. Aloe vera is packed with anti-inflammatory properties. It is the powerhouse of nutrients, minerals, vitamins and amino acids that hydrates the hair.
I wish that I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner.
Sunflower oil, on the other hand, is also a lightweight oil. It contains vitamin E and antioxidants which helps protect the hair from free radicals.
And just become the right person that actually matters. And find some peace in the stations that I throw on.
Let's continue to talk about the importance of olive oil for our hair. Olive oil is also a classic beauty staple. It is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that nourishes the hair and helps improve hair elasticity.
Every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find.
Now let's get to how I use this oil for my hair.
And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder why I'm so opposite, I'm so backwards and upside down. I'm such a clown, but I've got no frown on my little face. Why am I so freaking cute sometimes, yeah? I'm such a drama queen, I'm such a drama queen, and I wish.
This is me just finger detangling my hair without a comb. Just use my fingers to detangle very well. Then go on with my fenugreek spray.
It'll make you strong, 'cause I'm tired of feeling low
Focus it on my scalp.
and sad and depressed. I gotta move on.
My ends. Then I massage very well. Continue finger detangling. I'm now going in with my oil on my ends and then my scalp, massaging it into my scalp very well. That's me being real here. After detangling, that's the hair I shed, the shedded hair I removed. I'm going to put my hair into small African thread to stretch my hair without blow drying or using heat. I do add this oil to my conditioner to deep condition my hair. I sometimes use it as a pre-poo treatment for stimulating hair growth and soothing irritation of the scalp. You can also apply it to the length of your hair to add shine and moisture to your hair, as I have done in this video. The root of the braid should be loose in order to prevent tension on the scalp. You should also be gentle with your hair. You can see as I'm doing it, I'm very gentle with this hair. Removing tangles and then removing knots on the hair without rushing through. When you rush, you will break your hair.
There was a song that I could make.
After putting my hair into this African threading hairstyle to stretch it without blow drying or using heat, I went ahead to put on my bonnet and went to sleep. If you will be trying this recipe and tips in this video, please let me know in the comments section. Like this video, subscribe to the channel for more DIYs and hair care tips. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.